iPhone can't hear caller. If you are also facing such type of issue that your iPhone can't hear caller, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is tap on settings of your iPhone, and here go to sounds and haptics, and make sure that your ringtone and alerts is set as maximum. Drag the slider up to right and make sure that you have set as maximum ringtone. The next workaround is tap on settings again, and here go to focus and scroll down and tap on do not disturb mode is duly off. From the top, do not disturb, and make sure that this feature is disabled. If you have added any schedule, then delete schedule. Do not disturb mode should be disabled. It may be a cause of you can't hear caller. The next one more workaround is if you have enabled Bluetooth, then disable Bluetooth, and any headset enabled, then disable this. No any headphone should be enabled in your iPhone. The next one more workaround is again tap on settings, volume up button, down button, and home button. Hard reset your iPhone. Volume down button and home button conjointly press until Apple logo appear on your screen and force restart your iPhone. This method will also helpful to fix this issue if your iPhone can't hear caller. After that, unlock your iPhone and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is tap on settings of your iPhone again, and here go to accessibility, and here scroll down and you will find the option it may be not possible here, so look for this call audio routing and tap on call audio routing and make sure that this is tap on it and choose automatic. It should not be set as Bluetooth headset or a speaker. The next workaround to fix this issue is tap on settings of your iPhone again, and here scroll down, tap on general settings, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset again and choose reset network settings. Unlock your iPhone with passcode or Face ID and again tap on reset network settings and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again tap on settings of your iPhone and tap on general again and tap on software update. If any update available, then simply download and install latest iOS update in your system. That's all.